Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and today I'm going to make a spring cleaning spread. And normally when I get the feeling of that there is a lot of mess in my house, normally I try to lay down and forget the feeling I have and drink a cup of tea and take a good book. But sometimes you need to clean it, and normally, of course, I clean my house every week. I clean my house quite well. Quite well. I clean my house, okay, and but every week I say, well, next week I will do it very well. I dust under the couch and clean the windows and etc. etc. and every time I think, well, I do that next week. But next week, then of course, then I think, well, I'm busy now, and next week I will. Next week, it's a bit complicated. But now, when spring is coming, and I don't know how it's in your country, but when the sun is shining in my house, and you see the dust and. It's always like that. In winter, you I don't know what it is, but in winter you get presents, you get stuff, and it's everywhere. It's everywhere. So in spring you need to clean it. Sometimes you have to, and it's a good way. It's always a good feeling to open the windows and let the fresh air inside and. But I thought this time I'm going to make a spread for it, and so that I might like it a bit more. And normally when I'm cleaning, then I feel good. I feel satisfied that it's done, that it's nicer, and all the rubbish, the things you don't need anymore, you throw away. I like that. That's good. But to start, that's a thing. So I thought I might make a nice spread, and I make three items: the house, the garden, and the garage. Well, it's not really a big garage. It's a big shed. It's it's a very big shed. But it is a shed. You can't park your car in it. And I'm going to fill in the biggest items I want to do. And when it's time, I'm going to look at if I can do them by myself, how much time they will take, and because for some things I found out that I wanted to change something on my on the bathroom, and I need a plumber. And I don't know how it's in your country, but to get a plumber is really, really difficult. I don't know. They disappeared. They. I don't know what happened, or they are all on holiday or something like that for 8 months a year. I don't know, but I already called 3 plumbers, and I got the answering machine, and I never got a call back. So, that's quite a problem, but okay. But I'm checking what I need. Can I do the things alone? Can I do them together with my child or with my husband? Do I need his help? And that makes them easier and smaller. And for example, I have one thing I want to paint the garden chairs and table, and later on in my normal planner, I'm going to write it down. The first task is just checking what I need to do that job, and that's a job for 5 minutes or something like that. And if I don't have the right things, then I write down for the next day, for example, that I'm go to the shop and buy the things I need. And that's also something that will cost you, not very much time, but it's better to do that first, and then that you say on a day, oh, I'm going to paint all the furniture, and if you're gonna do that and you have to buy the things in the shop, and that takes too much time for that day, so you have to make all the things as small as possible. And if you need help for things, ask it. Why shouldn't you? And I remember that in the early days, I can remember when I was young, my mother always did the cleaning of her kitchen with a friend. And they were busy for 1 or 2 days with a lot of talking, of course, with nice music, with coffee and something, sweet with it. And they did the whole kitchen in her house, and later on she went to her friend and cleaned the kitchen together in the friend's house. And nowadays we don't do that so often anymore, but it's a very good idea. If you don't like to do it by yourself, why don't you ask a friend? Because the chance that your friend wants to clean her kitchen as well is very big. But it's always difficult, and it's nowadays it's a strange question to ask your friend, do you want to help me with cleaning my kitchen? But if you explain it, that it's much more fun together, I think she will like it too. I'm very happy. We went to Deventer, to a few cities in the Netherlands, and you saw it in another travel journal from me. And I bought these new markers. I'm very happy with them. I'm only not very happy with the broom that I created. So I'm going to glue a big sticker over it, and the broom is gone. Are you making a cleaning list as well, or not? It's the first time for me that I make a cleaning list, especially like this. I never did that before. And it's always fun when you look at it, your planner from other years, then you see, oh, I have that on my list already 3 or 4 years. So I wanted to paint the toilet in the toilet downstairs, and it was already on my list for 5 years. Yes, and now finally I did it, and it took me 1 hour in total. So you sometimes you think by yourself that it's a very big task, and finally it's not as big as you think. And here is a sticker. Today is the day. And if you like this spread, please give a like. And I really love to hear from you if you make such a spring cleaning list as well. And thanks for watching. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.